beef with broccoli. Yun, lambot no? Hello and welcome to Goma at Home. Today we are preparing beef with broccoli. Simple lang to. It's easy to make. Stir fry. Within 15 minutes, you're done. Meron ka ng masarap na ulam. So, simulan natin by preparing our onions and garlic. So, garlic muna tayo. And there you go. Yan. Once madurog mo na siya ganyan, dali na siyang tanggalan ng skin. Ipipil mo lang siya. There you go. That's all the garlic we need. Ito na. Okay. And then, alam mo, may friend ako si Jinho. Niregaluhan niya ako ng Niregaluhan niya ako ng knife. Ganda. National Blade Works, Thank you so much, Jinho of Ormoc Herbs. Thank you. At binigyan niya rin ako ng apron. Thank you. Nice. Okay. Diba? Pwede ka mag-ganon, no? So, yung garlic natin, Pinoy na mo, talas ng knife na to. Ganda. Always work with a sharp knife. Then, lagyan natin, tatabi mo natin itong mga to sa garlic. Pwede na sisang lalagyan. There you go. Sunod is our onions. Yun, sibuyas naman tayo. Dami sila tawag dito sa onions na to sibuyas na pula, sibuyas na Ilocano, sibuyas na Bombay. So we'll use 2 lang. 2 onions. Yung lulutuin natin today, talagang 1 big serving lang to. Tapos after sa onions, gawa tayo ng yung ginger. Very popular sa mga Chinese restaurant to. Beef with broccoli. Yung mga staple na in-order sa mga Chinese restaurant. Beef with broccoli, sweet and sour fish, sweet and sour pork. Yan. Hindi pa tayo gumagawa ng sweet and sour pork dito. Siguro gawa tayo next time. Sige na. Ganda ng knife na to. Very sharp, Thank you, Chef Jinho. Tabi natin yung onions natin. Then, ginger. Ito na, hugasan na to. So, don't worry. Malinis na tong ginger natin. Let's get a small piece of ginger, no? Tapos, balatan natin siya. Ganun lang. Ni-scrub mo lang yung skin niya with your knife or with a spoon. Yun na. Ganun lang kadali, So, manipis lang yung balat nito, Puto lang tayo manipis. Manipis lang. Yun lang, Manipis lang. Yes. Yun lang yung ginger na kailangan natin. That's it. Okay? Isasabay natin yung ginger na ito dun sa dun sa onions natin, pag saute natin. And just cut this in half, ganun lang, then cut it in half, that's it. Oops. And put it in your onions, yan. Sabihin yan, sabay-sabay yan na magsasaute. Next, yung broccoli natin. Ito rin, nahugasan na rin to, no? So, tanggalan tayo dito, you can use your knife, ganun lang siya, tak, putol lang ng putol yan. Yan, Tapos babagsak na yan. Yung mga stem kasi na hindi masyadong maganda. Pag hindi maganda yung stem, tanggalin nyo lang, tapon nyo lang. Ito hindi maganda yung stem nito. So, siyempre maganda ito, mas malaki. Ayoko na masyadong maliit. Ayoko nang hinahati. Gusto ko chunky. Yan. Okay? Okay. So ngayon, puputulin ko naman yung mga maliit na stems. Some people, sinasama nila to, but for today, hindi ko sasama. No? And then what we will do, iba-blanch natin ito. Pagkatapos natin i-blanch, i-stir fry lang natin yung, yung beef natin. We're actually halfway done. So we'll blanch this and then lalagyan natin sa ice bath to stop it from cooking further, no? Okay. There you go. So once we're done with this, meron tayong boiling water dito. So dadayan ko na ng tubig na nahulot na. Limpyo lang ako. So pag nandiyan na siya, our onions, andito rin yung ginger, garlic, and then prepare naman natin yung tenderloin natin, yung meat. Yan, tanggalin natin yung mga litid. Kasi itong litid na to, medyo talagang litid, matigas. No? Matigas talaga to. So you don't want to include this in your cooking. Yan. So yung mga litid na yun, tanggalin na natin yan. Kasi pag niluto mo yan, ako, kalating araw mong ngunguyain to. So this all we need. Hatiin natin siya. We'll cut it into, no, lengthwise. Pag ano, no, yan, no. Pag ganun. Yan. So since this tenderloin, you cut it lengthwise, you cut it crosswise. It doesn't matter pag tenderloin, kasi nga tender, malambot na siya. No? Yan. Yan, malambot na talaga to. Ito, pag na-stir fry mo to in very hot skillet, in about a minute, luto na siya. Tapos pwede mo na ihalo yung broccoli mo, and then give it siguro another a minute, luto na siya. Ganun lang kabilis. Okay. Okay, last few pieces and we're done. Okay. So there you go. Let me just wash my hands. No? After natin luto na, i-marinate natin itong beef natin. So let's wash my hands. Okay, good. Marinate natin yung beef natin. Lagay ko lang lahat ng beef dito. Here the beef. And then linisin ko lang yung table ko. Okay. Clean my table for a while. Pwede muna. So yan, lagyan natin ng raw beef, raw meat. Let me just clean this with the agua oxigenada. Okay. Kita mo, pag raw meat yung nilagay mo, kita nyo? So all the germs and bacteria, meron talaga yan. Hindi talaga may iwasan. So it's important to always sanitize your working table. Yan. Di ba yung mga sugat nilalagyan natin ng agua oxigenada, kumukulo. Yun, kasi nga puro bacteria, germs and bacteria. So ganun din yung chopping board niyo. Good. Very good. Okay, now, ang gagawin natin, isi-season na natin itong beef natin. Simulan natin with good soy sauce. Lagi kang gagamit ng masarap na soy sauce. Okay, konti lang, not too much. Yan lang. Just for it to taste. About 2 to 3 tablespoons, no? And then just put a little cooking wine. Konting-konti lang. Bango ng cooking wine na ito, Just a little for taste. There. And then oyster sauce. So remember, meron ka ng soy sauce, meron ka pang oyster sauce. So alam mo na may salt na yan. No? Good. Then potato sauce, about mga this amount of beef, mga 2 tablespoons yan of oyster sauce. Sarap nito. Sarap. Then we'll mix it. Okay. Muna natin siya, lagyan natin siya ng next nito, lagyan natin ng pepper. Okay, and then lagyan natin ng cornstarch. Okay. Yellow pepper. Pwede rin gawin nyo ng konting spicy. Pwede natin lagyan ng chili flakes. And then while cooking this, doon natin ilalagay yung sesame oil natin. Wow, ganda. Good. Let's put some pepper. Yun. Konting anghang ng chili flakes. Just a little. There you go. Sakto na yan. Tapos i-mix natin before natin sakto, sarap. Before natin lagay yung cornstarch. Nice. Kasi pag inuna mo kagad yung cornstarch, mahirap na hihalo yung ibang ingredients. So, with this one, mahahalo mo siya na mabuti. Okay? And then we'll put in here about good tablespoon of cornstarch. Nice, very nice. Haluin mo lang mabuti. Make sure na coated lahat nung beef natin. So let it marinate. While it's there, gagawin na natin yung iba-blanch na natin yung broccoli natin. Put it in a pot of boiling water. There. Okay. It's about a minute. Mag-blanch lang siya. In fact, while you're blanching it, pwede mo na siyang i-season. Lagyan mo siya ng konting salt. Lagyan mo siya ng konting salt. Yeah, that's good. Habang binablanch natin yan, okay? So, habang ginagawa natin yan, initin na natin yung skillet natin. Ayan. Dito tayo mag-stir fry ng beef natin. Dito na mainit na to, pwede ko na itong hanguin. And then, lalagyan natin sa ice bath. Okay? So, mainit na yung skillet natin. Pwede ko nang hanguin itong ating broccoli. That's all you need. Just a minute of blanching yung broccoli. No? You don't want to overcook it. And then to stop it from cooking further, i-ice bath natin siya. Yun. Okay. Go. Yan. Tapos turn this off. Tapos yan, isa-separate na natin. Separate na. Okay. Now, dito na tayo. Stir fry tayo. It's hot. We'll put in our Doña Elena pure olive oil. Yun. Tayo nandito. Yan na. Dapat smoking hot. Yun. Okay. Good. And then, panluto. Here we go. Unahin natin yung onions and ginger. Good. Once maging translucent na yung onions natin, tsaka yung ginger natin, we can already put in our garlic. It goes in our garlic. Yun. Okay. Ganda oh, bango. Ito pa lang, yung bango na oh. Okay. Bigyan ko ng konti pang oil. Then, add more pure olive oil. And then, makikita mo na pag umusok na to, pag nagbigay na mag-brown yung garlic natin, babagsak na natin ngayon yung ating beef. Okay, and then lalagyan natin ng sesame oil. There you go. So now, init na to. Lagyan natin olive oil. Ayun, yung lagyan natin yung beef natin. Put everything there. Oh, nice. Tabi natin to. Ayan. Habang hinihintay natin maluto yan, yung separate naman natin yung tubig, tanggal natin yung tubig dun sa broccoli. Okay. Ito na siya. Okay, good. Nilagyan natin siya ng soy sauce saka ng oyster sauce. Pero lalagyan siya ng broccoli. So we'll put in a little salt. Just a little salt. Salt to taste pa. Good. Okay, good. Okay. In about 20 seconds, luto na tong beef. Yan. Since it's tenderloin, you want it medium rare para malambot talaga siya. No? Second beef. Good. Our beef is cooked. There you go. We'll drop our broccoli. Yan na. Drop it. Tabi natin to. And then put a little sesame oil. There you go. To enhance the taste. Sarap. Mix it well. If you want to have a little more sauce, lagyan natin ng konting water sa pinagkuluan natin. Konti lang. Like that. To give it more sauce. No? Beautiful. Nice. Wow. Very good, fantastic. Turn it off. And this is served. So nandito. Nice. Okay. Beef with broccoli. So nakita nyo, di ba? Ang bilis lang nitong lutuin. So quick. Now comes the best part. Of course, we try it. First, yung beef natin. Since it's tenderloin, always cook it medium rare para hindi siya matigas. Let's try it. Yun, lambot daw. Okay. So there you go. You see how easy it is to make a beef and broccoli. But of course, using Doña Elena pure olive oil. Beautiful. Sarap ng taste ng pagkain. Ang bango. It's so nice to serve with your friends. Do this in your own kitchen. Enjoy this with your family. So thank you so much for joining me right here in Goma at home. I'll see you again next time. Goodbye. More beef. Pagkahumuka eh. Dami.